Marcus Antonio Kendrick Jr., Transfer Coordinator and Enrollment Management Officer at Clark Atlanta University. I truly believe that the black male is important not only in today's society in America, but in today's society in the world. We have a lot of strength, not only physically, but mentally as well. We are a threat in positive ways to the global aspect of citizenship. And within citizenship, mentorship is actually one of the most effective things that we could have ever had as black men. Throughout the past, throughout history, we always talk about Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., you know, the wonderful individuals that have gotten us to academic as well as entertainment and, you know, anything necessary for students to grow through. And if you look at the mentorship that they provided, they led a way for those to follow. So when it comes to mentorship, a lot of things that these young black males have is less mentorship. So in order to get them in the right path mentally, to get them to a success level that they would never even be imagining, or even that, you know, God puts in their life that they don't even know that they're imagining, is very important for individuals like myself and the other speakers here today to let these kids understand that they do have someone to talk to, they do have someone to look up to, and they do have someone to help them create the path for not only their lives, but for the lives that come after them. That's why it's important to have black men and black mentorship, in my opinion.